In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create design tokens in Figma using Figma tokens. This process is crucial for designers who want to maintain a consistent design framework across projects, ensuring efficiency and uniformity. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to Figma, known as a collaborative interface design tool. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure you click on the login button. It's usually found on the top right corner of the page. If you're prompted, enter your credentials to access your account. This straightforward login process ensures that you're ready to start creating without interruption. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Figma homepage. You'll see options like recents and drafts. In the Figma interface, click on Design to begin your design task. The design section is where the magic happens, serving as your workspace for crafting visually appealing designs. Next, your task is to perform some actions within the design section. This step involves engaging directly with the project elements you've set up. Look for an option or section titled Action. Clicking here sets the stage for integrating design tokens into your project effectively. Now you'll need to incorporate a powerful Figma tool, Token Studio. In the search bar, type Token Studio and hit enter. The search functionality facilitates easy access to various plugins and resources, and Token Studio is a must-have for setting up design tokens seamlessly. After locating Token Studio for Figma, click on it to proceed. This plugin is popular for its robustness in managing design tokens effectively, allowing designers to embed styles, colors, and other attributes across different design components. By using this plugin, complex projects become manageable thanks to its straightforward organization capabilities. Finally, you'll reach the step where you need to run the plugin. Simply click on Run to start utilizing Token Studio within your Figma environment. Running this plugin integrates the token functionality into your workspace, enabling you to craft design elements efficiently. It simplifies the creation of consistent, reusable, and adaptable design tokens, which can be pivotal for scaling design systems across projects. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully set up design tokens in Figma using Figma tokens. This process not only enhances your workflow efficiency, but also ensures consistent design output across different projects. Keep experimenting and expanding your design capabilities with these invaluable tools. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to create stunning designs effortlessly. See you in the next video.